Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will discuss an easy way to edit the form fields in Power Pages. This is a Power Pages website and this is a form. And inside that, I have a field called a subject. And right now, whatever value you give here, it is accepting. Okay, but my requirement is that I want to convert this subject to display as Aadhaar number, and it should be mandatory as it is. But here right now it is not validating the pattern. Okay, I want the number that will be entered should be validated as 12 digit because other numbers are always 12 digits. So what I can do, I'll go here in the designer studio and directly go to the form and click this field. Previously we used for metadata. In these days also we can use that, but this is a easy way to edit your field for your customization purpose. So I want to edit subject, so click on the edit field, and here I want to change the label from subject to Aadhaar card number. So I'll go here and use Aadhaar number. Okay, and now if it is mandatory, because it is mandatory field, if you have not provided any value and click submit button, it will display that the value is required. If you want to override that, you can also override this. Let's say I want to override the default message of the required field validator. Let's say Aadhaar number is required. Okay, this is the required field validator message. If the value is not given by the user, this message will display rather than the inbuilt message. Okay, next I want to also show a description for this field. Let's say below the field I want to display a description. Let's say please provide a valid Aadhaar number, a valid Aadhaar number. Okay, now this is the message that will display as a description below the field. Okay, next what you can edit, you can also pre-fill this field with other values if you want. You can, otherwise you can switch off this. Okay, I don't want to pre-fill any data. User has to provide it manually. In some use cases where you want to auto populate the username or auto populate today's date, for that you can use this pre-filled value. Okay, either you can use today's date, site visitors profile data, let's say full name, email id. That information you can pre-populate in a field, but for now I don't want. If any other field requirement to pre-populate data, you can also pre-populate. This is another customization you can do. And additional important validation also you can run. Let's say I want this Aadhaar card number should be valid, so I can go here and instead of using simple means it will not do any pattern checking. If you use regular expression and provide a regular expression, let's say I want to give this expression to check if it is 12 digit provided data or not. If user do not provide 12 digit data, and if it also starts with 01, it is invalid. So other number do not start with 01 any digit, but the count is 12, length is 12 digit. If it is not matching, then it will also show error, and it will show it the data is invalid. Now click on done. Once you have done, you can just preview this to check if your customization is applied here or not. This is how you can quickly edit quickly edit your fields on a form without adding metadata. You see here, this at the subject changed to other number. It is still mandatory, and a message is displaying below. Please provide a valid other number. And if you click this option, if you click the submit button, it will also display my message. Other number is required. You see, the subject is directly converted to a brand new name to represent in Power Pages, although it may represent something else in the model driven app or uh, other Power Apps. But here I can transform this to capture other number. Now, if you type something here, let's say if you type this and click on the submit button, here also it will give you that it is invalid. Other number is not valid. Why it is telling other number is not valid? Because it accepts 12 digit number, and that do not start with 01. Let's say it starts with 1, for example, 234 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Now this is 12 digit, but when you submit it, it will still validate that it is not valid. You see, Aadhaar number is not valid. But when you change from first digit 1 to something else, now it is matching 12 digit, and if you click submit, it will show no error. Right now, there is no error for this other number. This is how you can transform your form field in Power Pages depending on your customization requirement. Okay, and pre-populate data depending on your requirement. If you want to pre-populate customer profile, or you want to pre-populate any information like current date or any custom value, that you can also pre-populate. So this is a new enhancement that helps us to add the form field metadata quickly for different form fields. Okay, and if you also go to select any specific field, depending on date, time, or any other type field, dependent on the field type, it will also reflect the customization options. Right, this is a date time field, that's why it is not giving you the regular expression. Okay, so this is how you can customize the form fields quickly using Power Pages.